How to use the divide command in AutoCAD. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. In this video, you will learn how to use the divide command in AutoCAD. The divide command allows you to create evenly spaced point objects or blocks along the length or perimeter of an object. Type divide in the command line and press Enter. Select the object to divide. Enter the number of segments you want to create. The number of point objects created is one less than the number of segments that you specify. If you want to use blocks instead of points, enter B for the block option and select a block to insert. The blocks will be inserted on the plane in which the selected object was created. If the block has variable attributes, these attributes are not included. If you choose Yes to align the blocks will align according to the curvature of the selected object. The x-axis of the inserted blocks will be tangent to, or collinear with, the selected object at the dividing locations. But if you choose No, the blocks will align according to the current orientation of the user coordinate system. The x-axis of the inserted blocks will be parallel to the x-axis of the UCS at the dividing locations.